Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math similar question from the topic of exponents. So, which of the following is equal to g to the power of 5 over 6 for all values of g? A is square root of g to the power of 5, B is square root of g to the power of 5 over 3, and C is g to the power of 30, and D is g to the power of 5 over 12. So to solve this question, so g is 5 over 6, and the 5 is in the numerator, and 5 is in the numerator, so that's gonna stay being on top, which is here, and the root of 6. So when you look at it, you don't see this in the choices. So for instance, this one is 2. See that? The root degree is 2. And this is equals to 5 to the power of, g to the power of 5 over 2. Let me rewrite this. G to 5 over 2. And the other one is, when you look at it in here, so this is gonna be equals to g to the power of 5 over 3 divided by 2. That gives you g to the power of 5 over 3 times 1 over 2, which is gonna be equals to g to the power of 5 over 6. Therefore, this will be the answer for this question. And this one is g to the power of 5 and root 12. That's why that is not the answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.